Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open phone application, then tap here on 3 dots, go to settings, and then go to the call blocking. So here you tap add a number, enter manually number which is bothering you, tap block, and after that this user will never reach you again. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.